I'm Mary Beth Yanisich. I'm 51 years old. In February of 2003, I went totally numb on my right side. Went to the hospital, spent a week there. They thought I had had a stroke. It turns out I have multiple sclerosis. The only way they could really find out if it was that or a brain tumor was to do a brain biopsy. So they biopsied both of the lesions on my brain. They were atypical of MS lesions, and that's why they thought they might possibly be a brain tumor. Sent the samples to UC San Francisco, and it came back that it was MS. I have been on 2 of the interferon drugs, Avonex and Rebif. I stopped taking them because I don't feel well on them. I feel better being off them, and I just feel that nobody really knows enough about it, and I don't want to put those types of things into my body. I had a heart attack in August of 2006, and you know, all my other arteries were clear. There was nothing to indicate that I might be at risk for a heart attack. No heart disease in the family. I've been healthy other than that. So, sorry, I have 4 stents in my heart, my left anterior descending artery. I came to the Coastal Bend Chronic Pain Center because of my daughter, who's 24, who has RSD. And in talking to Dr. Rhodes, I was a little hesitant about going through the procedures myself, and we were talking about MS and how I said to him, well, the myelin does not regenerate, and he said, well, why not? Why can't it? And I said, well, because all the neurologists told me that it can't. And he said, but why can't it? So I decided to go ahead and test and do some of the treatments, and I've been here since January, and I've noticed that the spasms in my face have lessened tremendously. Usually I would have multiple spasms every day on the right side of my face, and I'm having maybe 2 or 3 spasms maybe 2 days a week. So that's a big difference for me. My legs are less stiff. My right side is not spastic like it was before. My tremors have gone down. That's a lot. Yeah, my hands were cramping when I wrote, and they're not cramping anymore. So I've seen quite a few changes in a very short amount of time. The other big change I've made is that I'm totally off all of my blood pressure medication since I started, and my blood pressure is stabilized. Today it was 116/66. So I'm very pleased about that. I am off some allergy medicine that I was on before. I was kind of allergic to myself when I would exercise, and since I've been doing the treatments, I don't need it anymore. I'm off my sleeping medicine. I was on Lunesta, and I am sleeping much better than I did on the medicine. So I've had some really great things happen while I was here that I didn't come here for me, so I wasn't expecting to do anything. So I'm very happy with the progress I've made, and very happy with the progress my daughter's made.